Hello everybody. Hey, this video is going to be a little different than everything else. My wife bought a car for me for Christmas, a little monster truck to try to maybe use as a crawler. And when I opened it, it was something that somebody had returned and they shipped it back out to us. So, and I didn't record that because I'm not going to record an unboxing on my Christmas present. And so when I opened the box, when I did my video, I already knew that the car was a return. After a long time of back and forth with Banggood, and she does not like confrontation or to be confrontational, so they offered her $20 to keep the car and just let me fix it. She bought a new car. They should have just shipped her a new car and sent that one back or whatever. That's not the option that they presented her, and she didn't want to argue about it. So here I have a car, and I'm going to do a review on it, and I'll let you know how it turns out. I'm going to contact Banggood myself and see what they want to do, see if I can get a better resolution to this. If they want, I think they should ship a new car, but we'll see what they do, and I will let you folks know. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you what was in the box. Well, here's the car my wife bought me for Christmas, SST Team Racing, and that's pretty much all that's on the box. But this is what it looked like when I pulled the top off. There's a car in there. There's a transmitter in there. The car, I don't know if you can see it on camera, looks kind of scuffed up, but there's no wrapping on it. So I guess it just scratched around inside the box. But the car has been opened. Everything in there. There's no. Normally they come with a little lug wrench set. I've got empty bags. I've got a charger. Doesn't look like the charger's been used, but it's got a European plug on it, so if it, I don't know where they shipped it to. It's got a, how do you get into the, oh, this is one of those that the handle comes off of. Okay, so, well, it's got Duracell batteries in it, so I'm guessing somebody ordered this car and sent it back. So I don't know if it works or not. Was supposed to be a new car. It was supposed to be my Christmas present. And she contacted them and told them that the car was used, and they offered her $20 and she keeps the car. But there's I don't know, there's no the wheels aren't connected at all, none of them. So I don't know, see if it well, it doesn't come with a lug wrench, but they're really loose. See if I can, yeah, I can turn it with my fingers. Okay, so let's see what is going on here. Okay, well, there's hexes in there. Wheels look, it doesn't look like the car was ever driven. The wheels don't look like it. Pull it. Well, there's no pins. There's no pins in the hex. So I'm guessing that all four wheels are the same since they all spin. And without pins, that's exactly what they would do. It's very frustrating for me and very frustrating for my wife to buy me a Christmas present, and it arrives like this. Looks like there is a battery in it. Let's see what get that out of the way. Pull the body pins out of it. Most of these ship with a protective cover on them. I don't see a protective cover on this one. I was thinking maybe just the cover was scratched, but so you can see all the scratches in the top of it. I've ordered quite a few things from Banggood, and nothing has ever come to me in this kind of condition. So it has a brushed motor that looks like a 540. It has a 3-channel and an auxiliary on. It's a 4-channel receiver, so that's good. And it comes with an adapter, a Dean's adapter, so if you wanted to change this battery out to a 2S LiPo, that would be very easy. Looks like you just pull these pins and this cover comes off. So it's looking like it has the potential to be a good car. Looks like there's some adjustability there. Hey, this looks like, Well, this looks like, yeah, there's pivots there. You could add rear steering to this, I believe. Well, that's an entertaining thought. What's the deal here? Oh, one of the shocks is bent. No, it's not bent, but it's sticking on the inside. That one's okay. This one's okay. Feel like oil-filled shocks. It looks like this has the potential to be a pretty nice car, and I don't know why somebody returned it. Power switch looks like it's got a little seal on it, so all in all, it looks like it was, could be a pretty good car, but I've never received a used car before from Banggood, so I don't know what's going on with this. Like I said, my wife contacted them, and they offered her $20 just to keep the car and me buy parts and repair it or whatever. And I think what she should have done is just had them send her another car, but that's neither here nor there. That's not she doesn't like to do stuff like that. So anyway, I don't know, guys. I'll tinker with this a little bit and pull that shock off and see if I can figure out the mystery behind the shock absorber. I'll have to build some pins for it. I can't even test drive it right now because I don't have any way to get output to the tires. All the hexes are there. It's just missing the pins. And I don't know. Anyway, as soon as I get some kind of resolution with this, maybe I'll contact Banggood myself and see what they want to do. Whenever I get resolution with this, I'll let you guys know. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will have an update on this for you as soon as I can get one. Thanks again.